Parang pinagdadampot ng itong bata na to ah. Ang bulubi na yata. Ang dami-daming ano, popsicle. Tingnan mo, pinagdadampot ng bata na ito. Oh, ang daming popsicle.
Ano yung ubusin niya?
Maubos mo yan? Yung mga ganyan mo dyan. Again, hindi ka inubon yan. Pinagdadampot to.
Ay, si almonds to. May contain peanut, tapos peanut. No.
Yung peanut, kunin mo.
Okay, let's go na, let's go na. May gatas pa. Wala na silang...
Still have milk?
Meron pa dun isa. Let's go na, let's go na.
It's expired.
What do you mean it's expired?
I think it's expired.
What is the date for that?
I think it's September 11:35.
Can I have any SLS associated to cashier forward cleanup? Any SLS associated to cashier forward cleanup?
Ayusin mo yung ano, fix your shirt. Tingnan mo yung underwear mo.
I want Hungry Man.
Bilang mo nga siya ng 100 na.
Anong hungry ba ang gusto? Wala na tayo dito. Siya na mamimili at kung ilan pa.
You like
na
that?
tayo.
I got two.
You got two?
Yeah.
What about the Aika? She might like it too.
She does.
I know, she does like it.
She doesn't.
Because you're a hungry man. Pa.
Chicken strips. Oh. Ay, meron pa ako doon chicken strips. Gagawin ko chicken strip yun.
What? Okay.
Let's go na. Ano pang kulang sa atin? Parchment paper. Parchment.
Meron dun ah.
Wala.
Ano nandun?
Wala ng parchment paper.
Para saan yun? Anong lulutuin mo?
Mr. Quinn
Ang mahal naman ng
has the
parchment.
most cleanest hand.
Piling ka ako. Pang ano ko sa...
Maghanap ang target nito. Hindi ko lang anong gustong kunin ito. Yan naman kanya. Oh. Hindi na kontento sa isa. Magdadalawa pa yata. Yari talaga ako nito. Sana si Mami. Ano, meron pa?
Some Canadian.
You're not done yet?
And then I associate to cash this
nakaplano yung bubble gum na candy. Alam, hindi pwede yun. Sobrang tamis. Alam niya.
Oh, where's the Gummy Clusters? $2.98, the cheapest thing. You could
Got
get
it.
out of all of these.
Okay, let's go na pa.
Oh. No, that's too much sweet. One is
Ay.
enough.
Why you're getting so much?
No.
Okay, let's go.
You
Okay,
know
let's
that
go.
you're not allowed to eat sweet, eh?
A lot.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Ikaw pambabayad ko, loko ka.
This way na ano ko, this way. Come here, this way.
Wala na, siya na mamimili ng kakainin niya. Tapos na tayo dito. Kailangan na maghanap ng trabaho.